Let's go to Pam in Philadelphia. Pam,
Pam, how you doing?
Hello, good morning, Brad.
how are you?
Okay.
I have a question. I filed a I-71 for the 2-year green card.
The I-751.
Right. And it's going to expire on next month. All my documents will expire on next month. February coming, right?
Okay.
But I don't know how I'm going to be able to work because I don't get any response from them as yet.
Well, when you say everything's going to expire, you filed this a year ago, or your 2-year green card's going to expire in a month? What's expiring in a month?
My 2-year green card, my ID.
Okay. So when did you file the I-751? How long ago?
Last year, March.
1 second then, so you're not answering the question properly. So you filed it last March, so it's not your 2-year green card that's expiring. You got an extension for 1 year.
Right.
And now the extension is going to expire, correct?
No, the extension, they give me an extension, but they did not give it to me. I don't know, like stamp it or how to do that because my
Okay,
card.
so let me say it again. You filed an I-751. You got an extension.
Yes.
Your extension will expire in 1 year. You got a letter from immigration saying you are extended, your green card is extended. That is what's going to expire very shortly. You go and make an InfoPass appointment. You have a green card every day for the rest of your life until immigration makes a decision on your application. So all you need to do is go down to immigration, get a stamp in your passport, and they will give you an extension for an additional year pending the outcome of this case. What frustrates me, Squeeze,
What
and
frustrates
this
you,
happens
Brad?
every day on the show, is when people, this is your life here in the United States of America, okay? You have worked really freaking hard to come to America, to get to this point in your life where you are removing the conditions of your permanent residence, you are most likely staying up at night worrying, and you, Pam, I'm sure you're a very smart lady,
Yes.
don't really know what you're doing. And your life is in your hands. You're like, I don't know what to do. If filing a form with immigration is not immigration. Okay, just because you file a form doesn't mean you know what you're doing, and it doesn't mean that you're going to get what you're asking for. Okay, so, and I know this just by the way that you're asking the question, because you don't even know what status you're in right now. So hold on 1 second, and I think you need help. Halima from Tampa, Florida has been waiting, Squeeze.
Okay, let's go to her.
Halima,
Good morning.
how are you?
Yes, sir. I'm good. Good morning.
Good morning.
My cousin came last year. I think it was in March
Right.
on a visitor's visa, 10-year visitor's visa, and she stayed until she was supposed to leave by the 13th of September.
Right.
During that time, Hurricane Irma came. We bought her ticket to leave on, I think it was before her.
Your cousin came,
September.
she stayed for 6 months,
Yes.
you bought her a ticket, she didn't leave. That's the question so far.
She did leave.
She did leave. So what's the problem?
She was scheduled to leave the 12th of September, but Hurricane Irma was here, and the airline called and said
Right.
that all flights are
So
closed.
now she overstayed on her
Nothing is-
visa. So now she overstayed
Yes,
on
she
her visa.
overstayed 3 days.
Okay, so she needs,
She went back.
her visa's no good because she overstayed, and she has to go to the U.S. Embassy, explain herself, explain that there was an unusual situation, there was a hurricane, she was prepared to leave, she couldn't, and hopefully she has proof that she was prepared to leave and couldn't, and hopefully she has proof that she still has ties to her home country. She's going to need a new visa, because once you overstay, even because of a hurricane, that visa is no good anymore. So she has to go to the U.S. Embassy and explain herself.
Okay.
So let her go explain herself, and if she still has a problem, then she should call us.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're
Yes.
very welcome.